Completed the level lot out there to the door. Sand here. A bit of compound. And we have the little seat here with the girl's handprints in. So what we're going to do is, where that level is there that we did the other day, this section here is going to be tapered down towards the door, because this side here is just is going to be a walkway. The stables will actually be across that side there.
Backside on that. No, I've got my best side.
I got it on the wide lens.
Fucking having to see it on YouTube. I'm like, oh.
Once this section's, we've got Topsy in here as well now. She's coming to inspect. As once this section's tapered down, then I can start the brickwork, positioning off. I think there's nearly 3 stables down here to start with.
Willow will come up.
Ah.
So the ramp's going to come up, come into a stall here.
Oh, yeah.
And the next one there, the next one's going to come out. We're going to bring this wall out.
So tape you down from there?
Yeah, it's going to ramp down from there,
Yeah.
So we get this one level, I'm going to start to ramp that one down a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
and then we're just going to blend.
Start and tamper it down, yeah, yeah,
I'm going to
yeah.
base all that out today as well. I'm going to start leveling it all up.
Yeah.
The last one I got was a ramp.
Oh yeah. The roundabout ramp.
Yeah, because next time we won't need a ramp. We'll be pouring straight in.
Yeah. Getting closer to the door.
Get some new tablet before it goes back.
Yep. Goes back where?
That's Katie's own.
Huh?
I think it's Katie's own.
Oh, right.
Never mind. Never mind.
I was waiting for Andy to do it. I forgot all about it.
We'll do a dryer one next. Stay with me, stay with me. Shut up. I'll put water in. Stop thinking for yourself. Right.
That's it.
Coffee break. I've been mugged off.
Not. No one for you.
I've been mugged off.
No wine.
Ain't me in history.
Santé.
Work this, you know.
Santé. Look at
Santé.
Wow, look at that.
Yeah. Are you missing him?
Yeah.
Yes, he is, yes.
I feel like I've lost an arm.
He's lost an arm.
See what I did there? I've got to give you an incentive. Back.
Got the rhythm, got the ride.
It's concrete time.
It's concrete time.
Everyone, stop distracting them.
Sorry.
What? Wait. 1, 2, 3.
Teamwork.
Perfect.
Teamwork makes the dream work.
Bang, 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 bang. Go on across.
Harder, harder,
Don't
harder,
stop.
harder, harder, harder.
Keep going.
Give us some music.
Follow me.
We're blocking the way.
Back, back, back.
You did not be left hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why you can cat-handed.
Perfect.
That's good.
That's it. I'm happy with that. I'm happy with that. You take it.
Cool.
Even though it's just storm mud, they can be okay, can't they?
But yeah,
You know, if it's really bad, you can, like they were next door, weren't they? There was 3 of them next door, weren't they?
yeah.
Yeah, they're coming in, and at least it's going to be dry, shouldn't it?
Well, yeah, with that going across, I could actually give Billy a smaller bit and I'll go a big bit.
Yeah, we can do like something temporary in here, can we? To start, you know, worst case.
So when we finally do the 2, so we've got Willow, Romy, Lily Arco, perfect. Phew.
And then, yeah. Well, yeah, as soon as we start getting walls in,
Start to show it's this, isn't it? I need to open it.
yeah, so we just need to get like your trailer, just get rid of these. Even if you just start here,
Yeah.
because then the first wall can go up, can't it?
If anyway, it's about here, Joe. It's down there. It's in there somewhere. It falls in the summer.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Here, minus a shoe.
It's about where that net is. I can't figure out how far I went down, but I might be down the bottom. I lost it down the bottom. I bring Well, guys.
Yeah, yeah. And then there's one in the back, so the floor here, you get it through the back. The best space. Yeah. I'll do it a tap. Right. They'll mix in, they'll mix in. Come on, Billy, come on. Okay, now you're going to dig a hole in the field. Screwdrivers, you take the side of that off.
Yeah.
Wish I had longer arms.
Yeah.
Radio, disponible sur toutes les enceintes connectées.
step.
It's got to be easy for the horses, that, isn't it?
Sorry?
It's got to be easy for the horses.
Oh god, yeah. Without a doubt. That's brilliant, eh?
You know, I don't need to get rid of this.